Hello everyone, this is Ari from Tech with King, and in this video I am going to show you how you can run Cloud Windows 10 in your Android with fully working software and games. So let's get started. First of all, make sure you have a good connection in your Android phone. So as you can see, I have connected with my Wi-Fi, and the second thing, you need an application called Netboom. So this application is officially available in the Play Store, and this application have a good rating and 1 million plus downloads. So this application supported high configuration gaming. As you can see, cloud gaming, so it will be support cloud gaming. Let me explain you. So this application basically providing a cloud Windows 10. So let me show you how. So I have downloaded the application from the Play Store. So as you can see, this is the Netboom, and it will saying that Netboom cloud gaming. So it will first you have to log in with this provided accounts, for example Gmail, Facebook, email or mobile number. So I recommend you to log in with Gmail account. So let me just log in and come back again. I have logged in this application. So as you can see, this is my account. First of all, let me just clear you one thing. This application is not free. It will only providing you 2 to 3 minutes free trial. Then after it will going to ask you to payment. So if you want to pay, you can pay. This is the best application for the Windows 10 and other gaming. You can play GTA 5, Fortnite, PUBG, Counter Strike, all these games you can play in high configuration in your Android phone. So if you want full experience of gaming in your Android, so you can just reach payment in this application. You can pay easily, so it will be secure and good. So if you want the full experience of this, let me know in the comments. I try to make the next video on this application. So let me just show how you can open the Windows 10 and gaming. So you have to log in this application, then you have to click on the any game. So for example, this is the GTA 5 showing in the here. So you have to just to click play. So it will going to say free trial connect. So I'm just click to free trial. So okay. So it will be connecting to the server. You have to just wait. So it will be directly going to open the Windows 10. It will not directly open the GTA 5. So after opening Windows 10, you have to, so it will saying AP Hong Kong, so it will be selected the server. I just click to OK. So as you can see, it will be saying server is ready, please enter or not. Just go OK. So as you can see, the server has been started. So it will saying touchscreen mode, mouse mode. So I just select mouse mode and click to start. So as you can see, the Windows 10 has been started here. So it will be saying free trial time 20 minutes away from the desktop, 20 minutes will be log out automatically. After 10 minutes it will be going to log out. So 10 minutes it's very long for us. So here is, as you can see, the Windows 10 here, the Windows 10 desktop, and it will be, there are a lot of games, Counter Strike, GTA 5, PUBG, all these games are available here. So if you want to play games, you have to just double click on it and you have to log in the Steam account. Let me just show you. So I'm going to open. So as you can see, it will saying the updating Steam. So if you want to run game, so you have make sure you have Steam account. Before starting this, make sure you have to create the Steam account. Then after you have to log in it. So as you can see, this is the taskbar. it will saying extracting packages. So this window is trying to open Steam for GTA 5. So let me just minimize it, come back after opening it. So I'm going to open Chrome. So as you can see, Chrome is also preloaded here. So as you can see, Chrome has been opened here. So let me just search anything. You can search anything in this Chrome. So as you can see, if you click back button, there are options here: virtual keyboard, logout, leave the desktop. So just click to virtual keyboard. So it will be saying gaming keyboard. Just click to use. So as you can see, the keyboard is here. Now you can type anything. Let me just type. So it will using the Hong Kong server. So that's why some Chinese here. So as you can see, the video is playing. The audio is also working, as you can see. YouTube is also working. This Windows 10 has been connected with the Windows. So as you can see, the Steam has been open here, and it will be saying create a new account to log in. So after creating account, you can play GTA 5. If you want this full tutorial video, let me know in the comments. I try to make another video on this topic. So this is the Windows 10 fully running. So this is the my PC file explorer. It had C drive, E drive, D drive. After logging or full payment, this PC is yours. You fully own this PC in your Android. So this Windows is very fast processing. The speed of this Windows totally depend on your internet connection. So I have opened the file explorer and I'm going to open the paint. So as you can see, it will be very fast, quick, and it does not take long time. As you can see, let me just minimize it, and as you can see, it will be very fast processing in this Android. You can run it any low-end or high-end Android smartphone. You just need this Netboom application. Let me just clear you, this is not promotion of this application. I am showing that this application have ability to run Windows 10, fully working Windows 10 with good processing speed. As you can see, at any time I can open and close application. If you want any other software in this Windows, let me know in the comments. I try to make a separate video on this, that how you can download any software from the Chrome browser and you can install it, and how you can use it. So as you can see, this is the cmd prop command. Let me just minimize it. This Windows have lot of features, as you can see. and the internet connection is also working. I've shown you the YouTube is fully working with audio, and it's high supported graphics. You can play on 720 or 1080p HD video. So this is the Windows 10 running in Android. So just if I try to open any game, for example, I'm trying to open this Counter Strike, it will be ask you to log in this Steam. So I have already told you to, before coming in this, you have to create a Steam account, then after you can log in and play this game. As you can see, this is the fully Windows running in Android, and also you can also run applications while downloading from Chrome. Just download any software from the Chrome and install it in it, so it will be going to install. So in next video I show full tutorial of gaming and any other application, so let me know in the comments. I try to make separate video on how you can download, install any software, and another separate video on how you can play gaming on it. So here is the Windows 10 fully running in Android using this Netboom application. This is the cloud Windows, you can fully access it, it's yours. So if you log in at once, it's your PC, you can do anything in this. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video, share this video. If you want more videos on this topic, let me know in the comments. Thank you.